Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today I have with me the refurnished version of the Amazfit Verge, which cost around 3000 rupees, and I think it's quite a good deal because it's not available anymore. Even though it's 4 years old, it has so many good features like GPS, multi-tracking support, AMOLED display. So with the Amazfit mod app, you can install any apps you want which support the Wear OS or the watch smartwatch. So which is really good deal. This is why I bought this Amazfit watch. So this comes with the Amazfit OS and it also has 512 MB ROM and also it supports TWS support, which means you can connect your wireless earbuds and headphones to this, and you can there is storage on this smartwatch, so that means you can store your music and connect your TWS to listen to them, so which is quite good thing in my opinion. So let's unbox and let's see how good the condition is. On the website I heard this has like few scratches. Also this come with the 3 months warranty, which is really good for the refurbished products, but the box really looks like brand new, which is really cool. So here's the box. I hope there are no more scratches than I hope there are minimum scratches on this watch. There is the watch smartwatch and it looks like in really good quality. As you can see, there are no scratches on the screen, which is really good. So on the inside you will get the charger itself, and I really hate this charger because how huge this charger is, which is quite annoying because the new smartwatch usually has like the small magnetic charger, but this one has this huge shell which you have to put the smartwatch in it, which is quite annoying. So here's the smartwatch itself, and as you can see it looks really good. It doesn't look like anything like Apple Watch or any new watches that are available, but it does look cool in my opinion. It has this unique design that you are not gonna get on any other smartwatches. Here's the box. You will get some manuals and stuff, which I'm gonna put this aside. So let me turn on the watch itself. So as you can see, you will get the Amazfit logo once you turn this on. Okay, here you go, and as you can see, this is the watch face you get. So as you can see, I able to pair this watch. Now I just have to click OK. So as you can see, you have to set either on left hand or right hand, which one you're gonna use. So I set on the left hand, and here you will get only one button on the left. There is no toggle like you get on other smartwatch. On below you will get the notification panel, and here as you can see, here you can store your favorite songs and you can listen with the TWS. So as you can see, I don't have any music stored in here. There's also option for the compass, so it's basically like a regular compass, which is quite cool to have. So on the app you will get basic feature like dial setting. Here you can change the watch face. I like this one. There are only few watch faces available on this smartwatch. I like this one. So here as you can see, now it's changed. Also there are app alert which will allow you to use the notification, also find device. So as you can see, it vibrates after you do that. Okay. So on the health you will get the basic option for the walking, running and the cycling. Here you can adjust the goals, routes, records. So overall I really like this smartwatch, and if you want to purchase, you can purchase from the Amazfit official website, where you will get this for 3000 rupees or even less in offers, which is quite cool. I think this is totally worth it because you will get more accurate heart rate on this one than more cheapest smartwatch. Also, it's really good in comes to the step tracking because it has a GPS built in. Also, there are so many good features like compass, and so if you need a basic smartwatch, you can go for this one. You will experience all the premium features on the smartwatch which you cannot get for this price point. But overall, it is very accurate in comes to the steps and the heart rate sensor. I wouldn't say about the heart rate sensor, but for the steps it is very accurate because it has so many good sensors. Also, it has light sensor which allows you to have the auto brightness on, which is really cool in my opinion. So I would say if you need really good basic smartwatch with premium features to buy this, I would totally recommend this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.